It's the most important element of life itself, and you might not be taking care of it properly. In fact, most people are actually kind of wrecking this. If you are keto or carnivore and struggling with things like fatigue and headaches and cravings, it may not be your food. Let's talk about water and why fixing this one thing might be the change you've been looking for. So here's the thing, when you go keto or carnivore or just change your diet in general, you tend to stop holding on to water the same way that you used to. The glycogen in your system holds on to water, which means no carbs, no glycogen, no holding on to water. You flush water and electrolytes, and you can do it really fast. And that means if your water quality sucks, like many of us have to deal with, you are actually concentrating a bunch of the junk in your system that you don't want. And because of the way you flush out fluid, you're also flushing out a lot of the good stuff. This is why hydration is not optional on low carb, and it is actually foundational, which is why you hear everyone talk about things like your electrolytes. So here's where things get uncomfortable. Let's talk about what is actually in tap water that most of us are probably drinking. In typical tap water, you are going to find chlorine and chloramine, heavy metals, PFAS or forever chemicals, pharmaceutical residues, microplastics, and potentially a whole lot more. And the problem is most tap filters or countertop filters don't begin to touch this stuff in terms of getting it out of your water. They may make your water taste better, but they don't actually purify it properly. And the reality we all need to accept is that taste does not equal clean. So this is where we get into a reverse osmosis filter, which is what I'm going to tell you guys all about. Reverse osmosis is the gold standard of the best water filters, and that's for a good reason. Essentially what it does is it forces water through a semi-permeable membrane, which means only water molecules are able to make it through because it is so small for them to go through. This removes up to 99% of dissolved solids. This also includes heavy metals and PFAS forever chemicals gone. And this is why hospitals and labs and food manufacturers and so many other businesses all use reverse osmosis for their water quality. And the reality is on keto or carnivore, when you are asking your body to perform at a higher metabolic level, the input of what you're putting in there actually matters even more. But here's the problem though, and this is one that I ran into. Most reverse osmosis systems mean things like drilling and plumbing and under sink installs and all of these things because you have to have all the gear. And if you rent where you live, like I do, that makes it really difficult because most landlords are not going to let you go drilling holes under their sink. That's why this matters, this product I'm going to tell you guys about. If this is something you would like to do to increase the intake quality of the water you have along with your keto and carnivore diet, this is a cool way to do it. This is a countertop reverse osmosis system water filter from SimPure, and this thing is fantastic. There is no installation, there is no plumbing, there is no landlord panic. That makes me very happy. It is so simple to use this thing. You fill it, you press a button, and you get purified water at the quality level of reverse osmosis filtering. This model actually uses a multi-stage filtration with reverse osmosis to strip the contaminants down to nearly nothing in your water. And yes, I can taste the difference when I drink it that way. Now, just a quick side note from the science world right here. The reverse osmosis filtering process removes nearly everything from the water. So this is why if you're on keto or carnivore, you should be putting minerals back into your water. And this is an intentional thing that we do when we use our electrolytes. And this SimPure reverse osmosis system does actually have a remineralization stage. So it actually does help you with that, but you still want to make sure you are supplementing your electrolytes as well. We are already doing that with salt, or my favorite electrolyte packets, Salty, which I have a discount for you in the description box down below if you want to try those out. We can also get this from bone broth. There are a lot of sources in our diet, keto and carnivore, that we can use to make sure we're getting the minerals that we do actually need for our health. So now the thing is, you can control what actually goes into your body. You can keep your water source very pure, very clean, perfect to support your metabolic health. And you can add in a good quality electrolyte and mineral supplement, or use your food to make sure that you are getting the minerals and the various nutrients that you are going to need. So here's the thing, with keto, with carnivore, with low carb, food is what always gets all of the attention. And that makes a lot of sense. But water is the base layer that is underneath of that. And if we don't get that right, we're going to have a problem. You can eat the cleanest meat in the world, and you can still sabotage yourself with bad water. So if you're looking to level up your keto and carnivore diets, this is where you start. This is one of those steps you can take that is very simple, but worth it in the long run. I've got a link for the SimPure system in the description box down below. I've also got a discount code for you. Go down there and click this and go pick up one of these SimPure systems if you're able to do so. There is no install, there is no nonsense, there is no junk left behind in your water, and there is no reason that you cannot take better care of your metabolic health and make sure you're staying hydrated with properly clean water in the process. Keto and carnivore are going to change how your body handles water, and that's a good thing. So fixing your hydration means you're going to fix your energy as well. This is one of the most underrated and under talked about upgrades you can possibly make to your proper human diet lifestyle. So if you can do it, don't waste any time. Drop down to that description box, pick up one of those SimPure water filters. Thank you, SimPure, for sending this, for making this system, because it has fixed a problem that I have had for a very long time of trying to figure out how can I have reverse osmosis water when I am not allowed to install one of those systems under my sink. And honestly, this is a more budget-friendly version of having reverse osmosis than the whole system that would go under my sink anyway. Now, if you guys are working on getting your hydration fixed, you need to make sure you're thinking about all of the other elements of your keto and carnivore diet as well. And if that's the case, go check out this video right over here. This is Chris cooking Nashville. You guys eat your meat, love your life, make sure you stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.